quick connect tubing. First, we're going to show you how to connect, lock, remove, and cut these tubes. To connect tubing, push the tube into the fitting, straight and level with the collet. The collet is this small moving piece at the end of the fitting. The tubing will go 5/8 of an inch into the collet before the lock is activated. Pull on the tube to make sure the lock has activated. Once the tubing is locked, use a locking clip to secure the connection by sliding the open end of the clip between the collet and fitting. To remove a tube, first remove the locking clip. Just pull the clip away from the connection. Then, hold the collet down while pulling out on the tube. Some system fittings have color-coded plugs you will need to remove before you connect tubing. You remove them the same way. Before cutting any tubing, make sure you know the final length you need. Cuts should be made with a razor blade against a flat surface. Your cut must be straight or your tubing may leak and will need to be cut again. Find your cold water supply and turn it off completely. If you have a single handle faucet, turn off your hot water valve. Release any pressure by opening the cold water flow on your sink. The feed adapter can be used for 3/8 or 1/2 inch plumbing sizes. For 3/8 inch connections, attach the adapter nut like so. For 1/2 inch connections, attach the adapter nut on the opposite side. You can secure the adapter valve either directly to the cold water valve or further up the line. Keep the feed adapter in the closed position until installation is finished. Secure the feed adapter with your adjustable wrench. Use the proper drill bit and drilling method for the material you're drilling. Porcelain or granite may need special drill bits. First, find a good location for your RO faucet. Any flat surface where drilling a hole will not damage pipes or wiring will work. Use your power drill and 1/2 inch drill bit to make a hole for your RO faucet. You can also use an existing hole of the appropriate size. Put the small rubber washer, the base plate, then the large rubber washer through the stem to the base of the faucet. Then put the faucet stem through the hole. Make sure your faucet sits in the middle of the hole. Under the counter, put the plastic washer, lock washer, then hex nut onto the stem. Make sure they are secured all the way to the top. Take your 1/4 inch blue tubing and push the faucet adapter onto the tube. Tighten the faucet adapter onto the faucet stem. Stand the filter housings in the correct order. Look to make sure that the O-rings are in the place on each housing. Attach the bottom filters to the top of the system by hand. Then tighten the housing with your large filter housing wrench. Screw a male elbow into the right side of the system. Twist until the elbow is tight and facing downwards. Push the white tubing into the elbow. Next, screw a male elbow into the left side of the system. Twist until the elbow is tight and faces upward at an 11 o'clock angle. Push the red tubing into the elbow. Place your system in its permanent location. Connect the blue tubing from the RO faucet to the PAC filter. Red tubing to connect the feed water. Connect the red tubing from the automatic shut-off valve to the ACB filter. Open the cold water valve and feed adapter valve. Turn on the RO. Let the water flow for 5 minutes. Then turn the faucet off. Wait 10 minutes and check the system for leaks. Check for leaks occasionally during the first week of use. Now your RO system is ready to go